Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Napkin AI for PowerPoint presentation. So first, what we are going to do is navigate to the Napkin AI workspace. So this is here their official web page. So you will need to log in with your Google account or however you want. Then here, what you are going to do, you can select that you will put text into it. So we will create forum notes or an outline or existing content. You can also describe by idea or import a file. So let's import a file here. As you can see, it has a bunch of options of files which you can import. So I will put in one PDF template right here. Now it will take a moment to process my file, just like that. So now what you're going to do is if you hover over through this, you will see on the left these icons right here. And also you will see this blue circle right here. And if you click on this, uh, it will now process by AI. So let's say what we will get. As you can see, we have here some AI suggestions. We have a bunch of them which we prefer. So let's select this one, for example. Now, as you can see, we have tools right over here and also here. So we have label, sketch, image, so we can import something and change something. We can change colors here, font size, and so on, and also export visual. So if we click on that, select here PPT, so PowerPoint slide, and just download it. First, you can also uh, toggle on slide transition. So make sure that it's on, that you will have a nice transition for your PowerPoint presentation. And now we will wait a few moments. Okay, just like that. Now I will open up this presentation and here it is. Now we have it here in PowerPoint. So this is how you can use Napkin AI for PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next